drive. This is a fresh, brand new set of Fortune Auto Generation 8 coilovers for a 2020 Subaru WRX. Just finished installing them and doing my test drive right now. Just basically usual check for any kind of unusual noises signifying loose bolts or loose locking nuts, things like that. This road is pretty rough, so generally first place to go just to make sure nothing is in that condition, being loose. And everything's checking out so far. Feels really good. I mean, it feels almost like a factory ride on this road, which is amazing because I know how well they really do feel, how well they perform, especially in track settings. This car overall feels really great, actually. It's 12,000 miles on it. So yeah, 2020 WRX. 12,000 miles, and this customer already went with a great choice in the Fortune Autos. Car's tracking straight, not pulling one side or the other. Again, this road is really rough, and it just feels super comfortable. Unfortunately, I don't have the time and didn't get a chance to ask the customer to do more in-depth of a test drive, actually take it onto a back road or something like that. But this is our usual test drive route after doing an install like this, so it's still a good feel for what they have to offer. Still on stock wheels, so you can definitely feel the mush in the tires more so than anything else. But yeah, this feels great. Really happy with the way the ride is. Really smooth. Very factory-esque feel to it, but man, it sure does hold itself through that last little second gear corner. Squat under acceleration in the rear ends, but you don't have that sway feel like you do with the stock suspension. And again, this is 65 miles per hour highway driving. Decent road, pretty bumpy, but it's not jarring. Driving my Subaru with the STI Pinks, it's pretty rough. So in comparison, this is really nice. Maybe Fortune Auto will send me a set for my 08. Oh yeah, that feels great. There's no lean. This is on stock sway bars, no strut tower bars. Strictly just these Fortune Auto coils. I really wish I had the opportunity to take this up into the mountains and do a real thorough test drive and give you guys a good, really good, much better idea of how these are performing, how they feel. But overall, no complaints at all. I think this customer is going to be really happy with the way his car is riding. right, guys, that wraps it up for this job. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Huge thanks to Carlo, boss man, Horsepower Industries. So this is a big part of what we do here. And also, you know, always trying to rep Fortunato. They've been really awesome with us as far as support and getting us rolling and what we need for the race car. So always love installing a set of Fortunatos onto a customer car, and this 2020 Subaru is just, you know, like nothing else. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and have a good one. Peace out.